In this video from Device Doctor, we are working on the Canon imageRUNNER 2022. Today, I will show you the correct and professional way to install the fuser unit. Let us begin.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is a technical video, but it is explained in a very clear and simple way. It is especially helpful for those who have not yet learned how to install the fuser unit on the Canon imageRUNNER 2022. Please watch the video carefully and follow each step exactly as shown. By doing so, you will be able to install the fuser unit correctly, safely, and without causing any damage to the printer. Now the fuser unit has been installed correctly, and the printer is ready for stable operation. Always make sure every connection is secure before closing the machine. If this video helped you, support Device Doctor by liking and subscribing for more professional